You know that's right.
What's up, what's up, YouTube land and all entrepreneurs across the world. It's your girl, ChinnaE, back to you once again with yet another one, okay? And I'm going to talk to you today about this site that I like called ChinnaEarnings. So, ChinnaEarnings is like swag bucks. You basically get paid to play games, take surveys, get some coupons, all that good stuff on here. You basically get paid to do what it is you do every day. But you get paid to play little games on here. You get credited. They are very legit. And they have a great referral program as well. So you sign up, you get started with them. You guys definitely add this to your arsenal as a legitimate piggy bank, online piggy bank as well, for you to make some good little piggy bank money with them as well. They're totally legit. Play games, videos, collect. That's it. So yeah, just wanted to make this short and very sweet video about ChinnaEarnings. Is nothing much more to really talk about other than you can play games there, take the surveys, do some offers, get some coupons, and just keep on collecting until you make something that you're happy with. And then you request funds transfer, and you will receive your transfer within one business day with them. They do pay out. So you go ahead, follow the link down there, get started, because they have the money as well. So like I said, I'm pushing out these videos, trying to make them sweet and simple, giving you guys something that you can work with right now, because the other sites or other things you may want to get involved with cost money. And if you need a little money, these are the sites that I'm giving you to make that money and to make those dreams happen. So you go ahead, follow the links down below, holla at me, show me that love. And remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl, ChinnaE. Check me out. I'm all over these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. There's always more in store for you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next vid.
You know that's right.